The global social media management software market is on fire right now, projected to grow from $33 billion in 2026 to nearly $200 billion by 2033. There are now over 5.3 billion social media users worldwide, and every single business, creator, agency, and influencer is desperate for tools that help them grow, post, schedule, and analyze their content. The opportunity to build software for the social media industry is absolutely massive. So in this video, you are going to watch me build an entire social media software using 100% AI, without writing a single line of code, without hiring developers, and without any technical experience. We are going to find a profitable software idea backed by real market data, validate that real creators and businesses will actually pay for it, build the entire thing using copy and paste prompts, and create a full marketing plan to start landing paying customers immediately. Now, I have personally built 5 AI software products with thousands of paying members, including freedomthreads.ai, which is literally a social media software, plus truevest.ai and getmakerI.com, and our students are doing the same thing. We have hundreds of them inside our community building real software businesses using this exact 4-step framework. By the end of this video, you are going to know exactly how to build your own social media software this weekend and start getting customers. Let's get into the demo. Today, you're gonna watch me build a social media software live using 100% AI, even if you have no experience in how to get customers starting today. Okay, we're gonna go through that 4-step process. Now, step number 1 is we need the idea, right? So yes, we want to create a social media software, but we need an idea. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to use this software called Maker AI to do every single one of these steps for us, even getting customers and getting users. Okay. So we're going to use Maker AI. I'm going to go to my dashboard here. This is the dashboard for Maker AI. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to go to where it says new project. Now, before I do that, I just want to show you some of my older projects that I've been working on, not only for me, but for other clients as well. Dozens and dozens of different softwares. Some of them you might have noticed I've built over the past, but yeah, as you can see, different niches, industries, dozens of softwares I've already built. Okay. But what we're going to do is we're going to do new project here. Okay. And we're going to click on AI suggest an idea. As you can see, there's a ton of different industries that we have. Okay. There's marketing, business, e-commerce, health, finance, real estate. You can see all the different industries that we have available. Okay. If there's an industry that is not listed, check this out. We can just go up here and just type in whatever industry that you want. Now, Camila wanted to create some sort of social media app. So we're going to do social media. We'll put content here. What this is going to do, it's going to do the research for this type of industry. Okay. So it's then going to ask you, how complex do you want to build your software? Okay. You can do easy, you can do medium or hard. I always like to start with medium and then kind of add from there. So I'm going to start with medium. If you have some sort of expertise, you can go ahead and add this here and it'll give you an idea based on your expertise. So for example, a lot of you guys came from Camila, she's built a massive following on Instagram. So, if it was Camila building this, she could be like, hey, I'm an Instagram expert. I've built my following to hundreds of thousands of followers. It will give you an idea based on your expertise. Now, if you don't have an actual expertise or you don't want to add anything, this is optional. Okay. I'm actually going to not do this just so you can see what this looks like. Okay. So I'm going to click on medium here and we're going to generate idea. Okay. So I'm going to click on this here. What it's going to do is going to give you some ideas for what type of software we can create. Okay. So check this out. Okay. So there's a Trend Pulse AI. It says social media content creators struggle to consistently identify and capitalize on trends. And then the solution is Trend Pulse AI uses machine learning to analyze real-time social media data, predicting trends and providing creators with actionable content ideas. Pretty cool, right? So what we can do is we can kind of just look through it. If you don't like any of the ideas, you can always generate it. One thing to note is if you're generating an idea and then someone else is doing it, it's going to give you a whole different idea. It's never giving you the exact same idea, which is really important to understand. So I like this Trend Pulse idea. Next, this is actually really important. Okay, is the validation phase. So the validation phase, this is where it checks multiple things. Okay, so it checks other competitors, what they're doing. It checks, how many people are typing in. Do people actually need this, right? So it's checking keywords here. It's checking how much money you can actually make with this. So it's checking market research. It's checking, pain, do people actually want this software? So it's going through, and this is actually a really important part because you want to validate it to make sure this is something that people actually want, right? Because you don't want to build something and then it's people are not going to buy it. So we know for sure because of the validation if this is a good software or not, okay? This will now give you a full market overview of that software, okay? So I'm gonna go through some of the things here. So remember I mentioned search demand, right? So we wanna make sure that people actually want this, right? So are people searching for this type of problem, right? So you can see the search demand, it says likely high search demand for social media trend analysis tool, Instagram story trends, TikTok, trend spotting AI, social media sentiment analysis. So these are things people are actually looking for. And it says here, 10,000 people a month are searching for those type of keywords, okay? So this will tell you what type of market data and trends that people are actually searching for, okay? Which is pretty cool. If I go down, it gives you some social media ideas. If you were to create YouTube videos about this or Instagram Reels, again, this is giving you all the ideas before we even get to building the software. And then, it has TikTok and Twitter, all this information here. Sometimes it'll give you a competitive landscape. So who is creating software that's similar? Sometimes it'll give you like 1 or 2 or 5, or sometimes it won't. So it just depends. Next thing is the financial opportunity. It tells you how much you could make with this software. It gives you some risks, things to look out for, before you even build it. You want to make sure that this is something that you want to build, right? So that's really important as you go through this process here. And then it goes to a go-to-market snapshot. So basically, this is what you would do before you even start selling it. So it says you need to do content marketing, you need to do partnerships, you need to do paid socials, right? So these are all things that it gives you to get your first customers in the door once you build this software, okay? As far as like, where is this pulling from? Like, where's the data? It's actually pulling from everywhere. So it's going to Reddit, it's going to Google, it's scraping YouTube videos. It's doing a ton of research before it gives you this information, okay? And then it gives you a detailed score breakdown. What's the competition like? Is there a clear buyer? Is there enough demand? Is it hard to copy? So that's the validation phase. The last thing here that I want to kind of mention with the validation phase is, and this is something that is really important, is are you excited about it, right? Because you want to be excited about what you are building, right? If you're not excited about it, then it's going to be hard to sell, right? So everything I've ever built, I'm super pumped about, right? Because at the end of the day, I want to be able to help people. I want to solve their problems. I want to solve their pain points. You need to be extremely excited about what you're doing. And that also makes it really easy to sell. Because if you're just doing it for the money, it's going to be hard, because it's like, money's cool, it goes so far. But if you're not excited to actually solve someone's pain point, then it doesn't matter. Even though it could make a lot of money, if you're not excited to do it, then it doesn't matter, right? Now, we're going to now go to build. Step number 3, which is build the entire software, okay? Now, this is cool, okay? If you can copy and paste, if you can do that, you can build. So check this out. I'm going to go to where it says customize build here. You can actually pick and choose what you want to add to this software. There's some like core features that it has to have that it's going to build for you. But you can also add these as well. So it's like, these are recommended, but you don't have to build them. So it says platform specific trend dashboard, historical trend analysis, customizable trend alerts, content brief generation for trends. These are all things we can add if we want. If we don't want to do all that, we can just unclick it. I'll click this one here. This one seems pretty good. If we don't want to add it, you don't have to, okay? And then if there's something that is not there, you can always ask AI to add something else, okay? So it's really customizable based on what you want and what your vision is, okay? And if you don't have the vision yet, it'll give you some suggestions here. And then there's some more, these are nice to have. So these are a little bit more complicated. There's an optional thing for your expertise, which I mentioned earlier. And then the pricing. So this is gonna ask, how much do you wanna charge for this? So it gives you some suggestions here. I'll do something like $49 a month. I think that's pretty cool. Maybe the second tier that has more things in it, we'll do $97. And then we'll do 2 tiers for now. And then if you want to offer a free trial, you can do that. So I'm just going to do like a 7-day free trial, and then create build guide. Okay. So this is where it gets really cool, really fun. This is your build guide. Okay. So what does that mean? So if you go through these steps, all you do is you copy every single step. Okay. So step number 1, we're going to be using Lovable to build. Okay. This is the one we recommend. You can use whatever you want, but Lovable is what I like to use, and you'll see why. It's super simple to use. This is your builder. Okay. So assuming you signed up for Lovable here, you're going to go to step number 2, and you're simply going to copy this first prompt here. Okay. All this is already done for you. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Lovable. What I'm going to do is I'm going to paste that here. Okay. And this is going to build it. Now, this is what you do next. Okay. So this is going to take a few minutes to build. We're going to check that out here in a little bit. What you do is you just simply copy and paste every single step. So the way it's built out is this first copy and paste is your sales page. That way it sells the app for you. The next page, it's got your like how people will sign in. The next page is the dashboard, how it will look for other people. Next one is like your admin area. These are all things that you're going to want. So all you do is simply copy and paste. That's it, right? So basically you copy that. Once it's done, you go step number 3, then step number 4, step number 5, all the way to number 10. Essentially connect your bank account, and that's how you start getting paid. So most of you can probably have this done in a day. Some of you may take 2 or 3 days. That's still insane, right? Now check this out. Okay, I'm going to go here. It's building it for us right now, guys. As we speak, it's building the entire system as we speak. You basically follow the steps here, and I'm going to go to this next step, or the marketing step. We're going to show you how to get customers today. But check this out. Before I show you that, I do want to show you a few examples here. These are some of the things that just my family has created, not even talking about our students here, but this is a software my 6-year-old built just by simply talking to the AI. It's a storybook software. It helps kids like create stories and stuff like that. So my daughter has like a YouTube channel, and she wanted to add some sort of software to it. This is basically what she sells, is this storybook for kids. And then I'll show you a few more. This is my dad. He's a landscaper, and he wanted to help other landscapers get leads for their landscaping business. There's the software we just built, guys. So your stories disappear in 24 hours. Your insights shouldn't, right? So it literally created the entire thing for us here. It added the pricing, which we added. And again, all we did was copy it and paste this. Okay. So pretty cool, right? So I want to show you now the next part here, because I think this is where it gets really powerful, guys, is getting customers, right? So again, this part is actually the easy part, the building part, right? As you saw, we did it in just minutes. We built the software, okay? Simply copying and pasting. But now I want to show you how to get customers. This is the part I want to focus on, because this is the part where you make money, right? There's a few things I want to focus on here. You know, there's a few ways to get customers. One is organic, and there's also ads, right? So there's the ads portion. And then there's one more here that I'll show you. You're going to be really excited about this. And I'll explain this in just a minute. But I do want to focus here on the organic and the ads part that Maker AI will do for you, okay? Now, here's the cool thing. In the prerequisite part under marketing, it'll create a logo for you. So check this out. It created different logos. I did different colors here. So I did pink, black, and purple. What's cool here is it will also create your Facebook banner, okay? So check this out. So if I go down, it created a Facebook banner for me. All I did was I added my photo. It already knows what you're selling, right? So you can see here, I help social media marketers predict trending content using, whatever software you're building here. So if I go to my Facebook account, this is my banner here, right? This is where when people go to my Facebook account, they're able to see what I do and how I help them, okay? If I go to Camila's account, same thing. If you go to her account, you know exactly who she helps and how she does it, right? So this is Camila's account here. I help 9-to-5ers turn their scroll time into daily payday. So what this does is it creates that for you, okay? Maker AI will actually create all of this for you. All you do is just simply copy that into your Facebook account. Same thing with your Instagram. I've seen probably Camila have like her bio. This will give you a complete bio. So it says, stop missing viral story trends. AI-powered platform tracks real-time shifts, start spotting trends first, and then, you just point people to your software and they buy, right? Of course, you want to be posting. That's it. So now let me show you the actual getting customers system that we've built, okay? So right here where it says get customers, what this will do is it will build the actual content for you, okay? So it will build, for example, it'll actually create YouTube videos for you, which is pretty cool. It'll create short form videos. So all you do is just basically copy the script here. And then the entire script, you just basically say it word for word, right? And then if I go to the viral text post, this is actually my favorite here, because actually Camila does a lot of these. So I'll actually go to her account because she does these all the time. So you'll notice this is like a Twitter style post that she does. Here's a reel that she does. Let me see if I can find others. This is like a text style post that gets hundreds of comments, as you can see here. She's literally doing what Maker AI will do for you, right? So you'll see, I think she does these whiteboard photos. Let me see here if I can find it. There we go. This is like a whiteboard style photo as well, okay? She also does like these breaking news style photos as well. These do really well. All of these do extremely well. You can see this whiteboard, she had like 300 comments, right? Now here's the cool thing. This will do it for you, right? So here's the crazy thing. It will create the Twitter style images here. It'll create the whiteboard style images, right? And then it'll create the breaking news style images as well. It'll even add your photo. I didn't add my photo here because I forgot, but as long as you add your profile photo, it will bring that in. Here's another example. Here we go. Here's another one I did for a skincare business. But yeah, you can see it adds my photo here. It adds it creates the whiteboard image. That's the marketing machine that we've built, myself, Camila, to get literally thousands and thousands of customers, right? Now, I do want to show you one new feature that we just added. I think this is going to be mind-blowing for you guys. We actually added an ads feature. This is actually brand new, guys. So I'm really excited to show you this today. This is completely brand new. It's still in beta, but remember I mentioned Stefan puts $1 into Facebook ads and he gets, like $7 out. We've built his brain into this ads module here. So check this out. If I go to ads, it'll give you ad images for you as well. So there's different types of ads, right? Before and after, there's stats, there's feature grid, urgency, value stack, right? There's a bunch of different things. I like a problem and solution. So I'll click on this, I'll just click on square and I'll generate that image. This will take a few moments to generate. Check it out. There's one of the creatives right there. So are you missing the latest trends? Uncover real-time insights, get access now, right? So it'll create all of this for you, which is insane, right? So check this out. It gives you the problem and the solution, right? So the entire thing is completely done for you, okay? Now, remember I mentioned there was one other way to get traffic, and we did this just recently. I'm really excited to show you this as well. So there is a marketplace where you can upload your app or your software, and we're going to send you free traffic, okay? And this is called the Maker AI Marketplace. You can see with the marketplace, if you're using Maker AI, you can actually use this for free. And when you upload your software, check this out, it'll create blogs for you, okay? What does that mean? It's getting traffic from Google. It's getting traffic from YouTube, right? Here's one of mine, Freedom Threads. It created all these traffic blogs. So basically, this is a blog that gets traffic to one of my other softwares, okay? As you can see, it was all created, it was done for me, and then it just leads back to my software here, which is another software that I built. And then the marketplace, as you can see, we have multiple students adding their softwares here. Now, the cool thing is if it was built using Maker AI, it will have a premium listing. It'll be at the top. Other people can add their softwares, but if it's external, right? So for example, this is one of my friend's software syllabi. This is not built by Maker AI. People can still add it, but they're not going to get the premium listing, okay? If you have a Maker AI account, you can actually just do it for free, which is really cool. So yeah, so these are the different ways to get traffic. The marketplace is free for all Maker AI users. That's kind of the beauty of how this all works. So that is exactly how you build a social media software using 100% AI. We found a profitable idea, validated it with real market data, built the entire thing using copy and paste prompts, and created a full marketing plan to start landing paying customers. If you want to use the exact same software I just showed you, go to getmakerrai.com or click the first link in the description below, and make sure you join our private school community, the #1 community in the world for AI software builders. We have hundreds of students inside building real software businesses every single day. With that being said, I will see you on the next video, and God bless.